These pliers are used to attach polyresin, aka plastic snaps. The pliers come with a screwdriver and an awl, which is used to poke holes through your fabric for easier snap placement. These pliers weren't specifically made for KAM snaps, so you will need to change out some of the parts before you can use them. Depending on what you ordered, your pliers may have come with a few different cap dies and a couple of bolts. We're first going to attach size 20 snaps. For size 20 snaps, you'll need to use the size 20 cap die, and you'll know which one that is by simply placing a size 20 cap on top of the die. It will be a little loose, but will fit for the most part. For the top metal bolt, which is this part here, you'll need to use the one that has a smaller tip. If you look at the two metal bolts, they look identical, but once you remove the rubber heads, you'll see that one is actually larger than the other. This one has a 3mm diameter tip, and that one has a 5mm. For size 20 and size 16, you'll need to use the smaller one. The larger one is used for size 24 snaps. So, what is attached to the pliers right now? We have the correct cap die, but we don't have the correct metal bolt attached, so we'll need to change out this top piece. To remove this part, you'll need to pull out the rubber cap. So now we're inserting the bolt with the smaller tip. Place the bolt through. We have the metal washer. Place that on top. Then the rubber cap. Attach the spring. Okay, so now the pliers are ready to be used for size 20 snaps. To apply snaps to your fabric, just poke a hole using the awl through your fabric. Poke the prong of the cap through the hole you just created. Then place your socket over the prong. Put it between the dies, and you want to try to center it as best as you can between the two dies, and then just squeeze. You'll see that the prong has flattened. And now you do the same thing to the other side of the snap. Squeeze. And there you have it. That clicking sound means that you've attached the snap properly. The size 20 pieces will also fit our star caps. So we're going to use the pliers to attach the star snap now. There you go.